Hi, this is Jason Cuddy from Rush Truck Sims of Canada. Today we're going to walk through the simple steps of pairing your phone to a Bluetooth radio in your new international truck. So the first step for enabling the Bluetooth on the radio is to push and hold the phone button for about 3 seconds. You've got the screen display that says BT is disabled. Push the OK button to enable Bluetooth on the radio. Now to pair the phone to the radio, follow the same process of pushing and holding the button for about 3 seconds. And you have the opportunity to add phone. You hit OK. Go to your smartphone, make sure your Bluetooth is on and discoverable. And you'll find a radio down here below. It'll be Delphi or a DEA. Click on that and you'll get the opportunity to confirm that the passkey is correct to what the radio says. Click OK, and you're now connected to the radio. It's that simple, a few easy steps, and you're ready to go. And there you go, you're all set up now. Leave a comment below for any other topics you'd like us to talk about. Make sure you subscribe to the page to stay informed, and thanks again for watching.